In this video, I will share how to utilize Google Trends for your business. Google Trends is a free tool that allows you to compare the popularity of search terms and trends. It's a simple tool for market research and especially useful for SEO. Let's learn now. The popular function of Google Trends is keyword research. Start by just entering the search term, then it will give you the graphical chart that show you the interest over time. I highly recommend you to click and extend the duration to 2004 to present to have a bigger picture about the trends. When you scroll to the bottom, here are the best part of the Google Trends. Feel free to toggle the rising or top under the related topic to know more about the keywords. It can show the related queries according to your search term. Here are the opportunity to use the data as part of your content marketing strategy, target keyword for SEO, or focus on the correct product or services. Not sure about which keywords, topic, or branding are more popular? You can insert up to a maximum of 5 search terms to compare their trend data. I love the simple graph to clearly illustrate the trending pattern over time. Obviously, Google Trends data shouldn't be the only data you use to make the decision about your business, but it can help to inform discussions and decisions. The second powerful feature is identify the seasonal trends. For example, you insert Raya and change the duration to 2004 to present. You will see the same pattern and it will show the sign of growing 2 or 3 months before Raya. This means in order to make full use of upcoming trend, your promotion, content, or social media planning should start to promote in advance. Some seasonal trend will suddenly become popular and drop very fast, so you must always be ready. Next, it can show you the popular trend. The trending searches around of Google Trend is always interesting. We can see daily search trends, real-time search trends, and filter it all by categories. If you are always busy the whole day, this feature is a quick way to know what's happening right now in your country. Not to forget, you can use other popular trending news to repurpose and cross-promote with your product or services. The key is you must act fast while still fresh. Furthermore, seeing Google owns YouTube is a keyword research tool for YouTube. Google Trends is able to provide the interest over time for the YouTube search as well. Go to the Explorer, type the keywords you want to research, then switch the filtering option to YouTube search. Things to keep in mind is the user behavior of web search versus YouTube might be different. So this is a good to provide another perspective before deciding your next video marketing content. Okay, that's all about the tips on how to utilize Google Trends for your business. Google Trends data is more important and valuable than ever, especially during the pandemic era. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and don't miss out my future video. Remember to like, comment, and share this video.